Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those new here, my name is Mary. So today I'll be doing a video explaining how I do my ombre lipstick. Most of you have asked for that video for the tutorials, and don't worry, I got you. This video is for you. So before I start this video, guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, comment, like and share. So let's go straight into the video. I will be using a black Davis eye pencil, and a pink lipstick number 50. I will also be using a dark maroon lipstick number 19. I'll start by lining my lips with this dark eye pencil. Make sure you line your lips well before you start applying your lipstick. I'll go in with my dark maroon lipstick at the outer part of my lips. The advantage of lining your lips before sorry, your lips before you apply your lipstick, it gives your lips a nice shape, and a shape that you'll follow when applying your lipstick, and this gives a nice finishing. I'll now go in with my pink lipstick in the inner corner of my lips. Blend the two lipsticks together. To make the outer part of my lips a bit darker, I'm going in with the same eye pencil I used, a black eye pencil, to give them a a nice shade. Yeah. If you have messed with your lipstick, you can use a concealer to fix the smudged parts. There we go. How do you think of my ombre? So as for me, I don't like my lips to be matte. I always go with this good gloss. It's the best. I actually love it. So when I do my lips, I have to go in with this amazing gloss. Wow, I'm actually loving this. So guys, what do you think? Was this video helpful? If you like the video, comment down below and just tell me other video that you would like me to do that will be helpful to you. And guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, comment and like. So till next time, bye.